myself and Lee, who's my lovely cameraman for the day.
Hello.
We're out quoting today. Again, absolutely miserable weather. I don't know if you've all noticed that or seen it in the news that we in Somerset we've just got more torrential rain constantly, loads of flooding. So it's rained us off our current job in Willerton. Basically, we're trying to find things to keep the teams going, keep them busy. We've brought one of our jobs forward. Now, the customer we have, we've allowed really sort of 3 or 4 days to complete this job that we're going to go to. And the customer has asked us, yes, we can start it, but we only have 48 hours to do it because they have family coming over. We've got to take the hedge out the front, put a new fence in, take some old slabs up, put some new slabs down, put some new drainage in, take up the grass at the front and sort of replace that with new slabs as well, new decorative stone, put a new tree in for them and bits and pieces like that. So there's plenty to do, 48 hours to do it. So we've given the team a 48-hour challenge. Let's see how they get on.
So this was the 48-hour challenge that the team's completed. We actually done it in a day and a half, so kudos to the team. Let me just quickly pan over here, show you what they've done. So over here was the grass patch, so the customer just wanted an extra width to the path. They also put this new eco drain in to sort the water flow out on there. So all this was the privet hedge, so we've taken all that out and just followed suit with the neighbour's fence and just put another picket fence in along there. They've put in 4 slabs here just to extend the width of the path. They've put in this beautiful sleeper border which really sits well with the plum slate. This is the tree that we had to take out of the pot in the video and then bury. They also had to cut these slabs out to obviously make sure that the sleeper and everything's all straight. But yeah, thank you very much. Thank you to the team. They've done an incredible job with all of that rubbish weather.